D in the city. That guy dope.
Hey, what's wrong? Hello, this is Nature down here. Hey, I'm at the park. I got a weird message on YouTube today. Yeah. Look, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh.
So I'll get Atlanta. Here now.
Frisbee, extreme frisbee. 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 We here with Tommy Hill, man. Exclusive. Frisbee, extreme frisbee. Feeling great after the toss?
I'm feeling pretty stellar, actually. I mean, you know, good 300 feet out there. Can't be beat.
Oh yeah, man. I mean, you guys are practicing for this round hard, you know, getting into the quarterfinal today. Amazing toss leading up.
Oh, thank you.
After fetching from the ditch, you really got it out there.
Yeah,
A
thank
full
you.
arc past those three-quarter trees there. You can see them right there. Three line up right between them, then the arch quarter down back into the ditch. How you feeling after that toss?
You know, it could have been a little better, but it's good for what I could do. You know, could have been worse, could have been better. But
Powerful shit here, some real.
I just took Leonard over here, and hopefully we find Dan somewhere out there. Real loud right here. I've never ridden on these moving stairs before, but hey, you only live once, right? All right, guys, let's go. What the hell is going on? What is this? Who are you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at those things rolling. We gotta get out of here, man. We gotta get out of here, man. Alright, guys. I don't know what the hell is going on here. I had to have time traveled into the future. So, my new mission is to make it back home, alright? Let's go, guys. Hey. Oh, that's Hey, man. Look here. What's going on, man? Oh, my God. Hey, see Dan? See Dan anywhere? Come on, man. What is this, man? What is this? What? What the hell? He said it's a monster. I don't know what monster it is, but I'll find out for you guys, alright? Now, this light right here, that means you can walk, okay? I don't quite know what these are. We'll return at 3 o'clock, okay? The one thing my mom didn't tell me how to do is read a clock. Let's get down these stairs, guys. Man.
I'm not doing this with y'all.
Diane. Oh my God. Who's that? Okay.
Hey, bro, you good to go. We
Diane.
see you,
Wait, get up. Go. My father told me never trust bald men. All right, you have to have your hair, okay? Always. It's crazy, man. We gotta go somewhere else. Dan's not here.
Floor L.
Hey, bruh. So, bruh, do you think cats really have 9 lives, bruh? Shit.
We are. We gotta go in here, alright? Those little spinny doors. Dan! Where are you, Dan? This might be harder than I thought. Dan can't survive in conditions like this. I mean, look at all this crazy stuff. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, but where would she really be at? Like, I knew she wouldn't be in the city. Wait.
Nah, she wouldn't be in the city.
Come on, man. Let's find the nearest park. Oh, God. These waters are deep. Sure hope Dan didn't fall in there. Oh, shit. Hey, see this right here, guys? All right. This is the green moss, all right? This green moss. You can take it in between your fingers and rub it on your and it'll make it 5 times longer, okay? Remember, take the moss, rub it on your fingers, apply it to the penis. All right, let's get out of here, guys.
Call me, bro.
Huh?
Shit, call me.
Call you.
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm sitting right next to you.
God damn it. Been searching for Dan for hours. Can't find him anywhere. All right, guys. Been looking for Nature Dan all day. It's almost nighttime. Gotta go home, take a shit, you know. Might as well go ahead and call it quits. Hey. Wait a minute. This looks kind of familiar. Wait. Dan is here. There goes Arbor Day hat. No!
Osborne!
No!
Hey, mate! Don't look at me! Don't look at me!
Oh, my
No!
God.
Everybody, no! Don't look at me! Give me that.
Here. My bad. Where have you been? Dan!
I don't know, mate. I got an address.
I've been looking for you all day.
I'm good, mate. I'm trying to get my Arbor Day hat on, but it keeps falling off.
Oh, that's
But
fine.
I got an address on YouTube today. It said 770, go f yourself off. I thought that was a real address. So I typed it in.
Wait. What's that? Hey! Hey! Get back here!
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Stendo Backwoods. Y'all can get at me on Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. I'll leave my snap code right here. And hey, I support this nature crew creation.
D in the city. That guy dope.
Hey, man. Do you think we can get some New England Patriot to left shoe?
Alright, bro. Yo, I'm gonna need one more. Alright, bro. Hello?
Yo. Let me get a blue Bible with yellow pages. And it needs to be thick.
Yo, I'm gonna need one more.
Alright, bro.
Hello?
Yo, you know where I can get some, like, 4 gallons of Pepto for the low?
Alright, bro. Yo. I'm gonna need one more.
Alright, bro.